Hello guys, today's look is actually inspired by NikkieTutorials. In one of her video, dia ada buat Google Picks My Makeup. It's actually when you need to type the first letter, you need to Google the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your second name and put look behind, and the first look that came out, itulah rupa yang macam korang kena buat. Like as for me, my look, it was a notebook, a night museum notebook with dark background and blue and some sparkle. So this is the best that I can do. I totally obsessed with this look. I think this is one of the best look I ever did. So if you guys like it, please continue to watch it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and bye bye.